Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 188. Dear sir, in reply to your favor of the 16th institution, we regret that we cannot undertake the responsibility of adopting your suggestions with regard to the machine. First off, we are willing to execute the repairs to the best of our ability, and on the lowest terms possible, but as we stated in our last letter, the methods you propose would be attended with great risk to the rider. Full stop. If you decide to leave the matter to us, you might inform us by return of post, and we will put the work in hand at once, so as to be able to dispatch the machine by goods train on such a day. Full stop. We need hardly say that we pay the best price for all the materials we use, and we guarantee them to be of the best quality obtainable. Full stop. Referring to your letter of the 9th institution, we have done our best to induce the carriers to quote special rates for the goods consigned to you, but they decline to make any reduction on the ordinary rates unless the traffic is considerably increased. Full stop. With reference to our statement of account for last quarter, we beg to call attention to the fact that the balance due has not yet been received, and we will thank you for a check or a postal error for the amount at your earliest convenience. Full stop. We shall give early consideration to your inquiries for the special tandem, and will forward the specification desired as soon as convenient. Full stop. Yours faithfully.